This was the first bike packing trip of the summer. We have all 4 kiddos. We went from our house in Mine Hill, New Jersey, all the way to Kitattiny Valley State Park, which is about 16 miles. We're trying to take as least congested roads as possible, but we did use the Follow Me tandem with my 7-year-old, so he could, we could keep him right behind us. When we got to the trails, we let him loose, but yeah, it worked out really well. I love the Follow Me tandem, but I think he's gonna outgrow it very soon because it only goes up to 20-inch wheels. There you can see my wife. She has the other 3 kiddos. She's on an e-bike, the RadWagon 4, an awesome bike. We love this bike. And my daughter, who's 2, is on the front mounted seat. It's a Thule Next Maxi Mini. I wrote a review about it before on another video. And then my 4-year-old or 5-year-old is in the back on the caboose. And then our infant, who just turned 6 months, is in the Burley B trailer with a Burley snuggler attachment. And yeah, it was a good trip. There's my son who's on his own. He got tired pretty quick. Here's a beaver we saw on our journey. That was cool. That was in the Morris Canal. Here is Cranberry Lake, which was also cool. Our journey primarily followed the Sussex Branch Trail. And here's us tenting and camping. We did cheat a little this time around because we had a friend who was meeting us at the campsite and he was driving. So we loaded him up with a bunch of stuff, which made our journey a lot more fun. But here's the airport at Kitattiny Valley State Park. They have a really cool airport, which we stopped and viewed all these propeller planes. And yeah, we had a good time watching that. But as I was saying, we gave him a bunch of stuff. I think we could have carried it all in the trailer, and I didn't have my front panniers, so I could have put all the panniers on. Just would have made it a little less enjoyable, but we could have done it, I think. Anyway, this was our trial run, so it was a good trial. Here's the lake right by the campsite. Here's us trying to put the kids down for a nap, the 2 younger to the 2-year-old and the 6-month-old. They're both in the trailer there, trying to get them to go to sleep. Honestly, that was the most difficult thing about bike packing this time around. Last time, I don't know, it wasn't so much of a concern just trying to get 1 to sleep, but trying to get 2 to sleep at the same time, it's pretty difficult. We managed it though, as you can see. But yeah, nap times was a struggle, especially in a hot tent. Just made it a little difficult. Here's my son fishing. He loves fishing. He's always fishing. He caught a good number of fish that day. And then here's my younger son. So yeah, my friend had brought his little bike too over for us so he could bike himself. And this is the first time he's on trails, and he did pretty good. So I was proud of him. We spent 2 nights camping here at Kitattiny Valley State Park. Pretty extensive setup. Everyone was on bikes, so we had a couple bike excursions. It was fun. It was great to kind of do all that. And then we had the pack out, which is never fun. The pack out on our journey home, pretty much the same way we came in. I think we did take a detour because the first time we came up, we went over railroad tracks, and that was such a pain. Oh, here's a cool turtle that was laying eggs right on the trail, and we could just observe them. We've been seeing that in our backyard too. A turtle came by and laid some eggs. You can see here some more of the Sussex Branch Trail, kind of rugged in some parts, some huge puddles in other parts. So especially with a trailer, it made it a little difficult at times. Here's some of the muddy parts. So not the best maintained trails. Some parts are great, but then some other parts just seems like it's just so little maintenance. Here my daughter was getting cranky, so we threw her in the trailer and she fell asleep. This is Cranberry Lake, where we took a little stop, feeding the fish, some old hot dog buns. At this point, I just gave my older 7-year-old back to my wife, so she has all 4 kids because I was going too slow, and she still had energy and fully charged battery. We powered our battery we charged it at the ranger station, so we had a full charge and could go back home. I feel like it made only like 20 miles on this fully load. Like it wouldn't have been able to do the there and back. Oh, there was a cool parade that we stopped and saw at the end there. But it was a fun journey. It was a good trip. It was a good first excursion with all 4 kids. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are thinking about your own bike packing adventures. Wish you the best of luck. Godspeed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.